What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man. Hey, man, we're gonna make this money today, man. So we're gonna start off with pamp. Now, I'm gonna show you how to do this. A lot of people might not even be paying attention to pamp, or not even thinking it's a real thing. But hey, man, you can make some serious crypto on this network. Now, I'm gonna show you something. All right, now what you want to do? Now, I do liquidity staking. That's where you make the money. You can do regular staking, but I think you don't only make rewards only if the price go up for regular staking. Now I do liquidity staking, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you want to come to pamp.network. There's no affiliate link or anything. You just come to pamp.network and you go to liquidity staking. Right now, let me show you something. You see that number right there? Now I was just watching the video. Maybe I'm talking about like 10 days ago, man. Like, look, this was like July 9th. This thing had 128 ETH in the liquidity. 128. Now look, 705. So what I'm telling you is follow the money, man. You know what I'm saying? This is how you make crypto. This is the backbone, so you can do all this other stuff, with the more riskier platform. But I'm gonna get on right to it, man. So you want to come here, and as you can see, I got 44 rewards. Now I look at this as $1 because Pamp, it hovers around $1. It may be $1.12. It may be 96 cents. It may be $1.05. It may be 89 cents. But it always hover around $1. So in 3 days, I made $44 for doing nothing, just providing liquidity. Every month, I'm gonna get 443, and that goes up and down. You know what I'm saying? But you always get rewards. So I just want to show that to you, right? So they got a tutorial right here if you don't know how to do it. But okay, I'm gonna do it from start to finish because I want to add. I want to get this amount to 5. I want to now know that whatever is double. So when you provide liquidity, you got to have the tokens and the ETH. So I got 2 ETH worth of Pamp liquidity, but this is 2 ETH worth too. So I actually got 4 total. So when I make this 5, this actually gonna be 10 total. It's gonna be 10 ETH in here total, right? So now all you want to do is go to Uniswap. If you're watching this, everybody know about Uniswap. Go to Uniswap, put in Pamp. It's gonna come up regular. Just like normally we hit trade. Well, that's what we're gonna do anyway. We're gonna hit trade because you got to buy the Pamp first. Remember, it's double. If you want to put an ETH worth in, you got to buy ETH worth and then add. It's gonna give you ETH worth. So we're gonna. How much I got? 7, 3, 6. Yeah. Let me see. So what I said I want to do. So I got to buy 3 ETH worth of Pamp first. Confirm swap. So that is an important step. Remember, if you want to do, man, look at that fee, $5. God almighty. I might not have 3 ETH when I get finished with the fee. Good Lord. Yeah, man, but just remember that. So if you want to say, well, I got 2 ETH to put in there. Well, if you got 2 ETH, you're going to take one of those ETH to buy the Pamp, and then the other ETH is going with it. You know what I'm saying? That's the best way I can explain it. So you just can't buy 2 ETH worth of Pamp and then stake it I'm just trying to show you. All right, so now as you can see, I got my 3 ETH worth of Pamp, and 3 ETH has been taken out of my ETH. I bought the Pamp. So now we're going to go to pool. Now it's just saying the transaction went through. We're going to add liquidity. Come on, man. What is you doing? Well, the easiest way to do it would be just to go back to Uniswap and click add liquidity because you're on the right thing. Click add liquidity. See, it'll automatically pop up. You don't have to find it. You can do it the other way, but you have to put it in or put the address in. But the easiest way is just to go back to Uniswap, click add liquidity, and it's going to automatically populate for you. Right? So now let's see what we got. I got 888 pamp tokens. We're gonna do it like that. So it's gonna give me now. I got to pay 3 more ETH. You can't just add the token. You got to do the ETH too. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to keep, stressing that. So you will be thinking, hey man. So we're gonna do it like that. So click supply. Yep. Wait for the slow Ethereum network. Come on here. Man, let me see. I'll speed this up. Mm, mm, mm. So we're gonna wait for this to confirm. Now we have confirmed, and now you can see your position. I got 0.001581. They're called UNV tokens, but this is what I got. 2.8 ETH, 817 pound. Like that'll fluctuate depending on the price and activity and stuff. So I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna go back over to pamp. Now we want to go to liquidity staking, which we're already in. Now we got to approve tokens. Everything is a fee, man. Everything is a fee on Ethereum. Hey man, everything is a fee on Ethereum, boy. I swear, boy. That is funny. Gotta do what you gotta do. Y'all love Ethereum. Paying more fees than you got in your wallet. But that's alright. Some coming along. Cardano or somebody. We're gonna wait for that to approve. Quick little refresh. And there it is. 1581. I already got 1171. So I'm gonna add this 1581. Now here goes a quick trip. You can see what you can get. Like right now I'm getting $439 a month. Now look, if you let me see. It should say max. What a max button at, man? I ain't got no max button, man. Huh, man? Man, they ain't got the max button, but you can put it in manually. 0.001581. Now, if you come off of it before you hit deposit, it'll tell you what you get. See that? I get 592 pounds a month. And that's gonna add to this right here. You see what I'm saying? So before you hit deposit, you can see what you're gonna get. That's the good thing about it, right? Just a little quick tip, man. So we're gonna do it like that. We're gonna deposit, pay the fee. It's really not that difficult, man. I know it seems like a lot of steps, but it's really not. Come on here, man. I got this money. Pay this fee. Fee. Ethereum bill is fee. Look at that. Still going up. And wait for the transaction. Quick refresh. And there go the new total. 2752. 1,000. That's what I wanted to get. My number was 1,000 monthly. Now it goes up and down slightly depending on, activity and all that stuff. But that's what I wanted to get to. That's where I'm at. It's almost 5. So that's actually about 10 ETH. And people are still coming in. As you can see, it was 712. Now it's that might be, no, I ain't put that much. So we started with 7.0 something. So people are still coming in, man. I just want to show you this, man. It's very simple. It's very simple. It's not hard at all, guys. This is the backbone of how I'm gonna show you some more stuff too. It's just one. I want to make the video too long. I'm gonna come back and show you another one that I'm doing, and it's just adding up, man. This is real crypto, real money. That's $1,000 a month. I ain't got to do nothing. I ain't got to come back here. to 2 months and collect. I ain't gotta do nothing, guys. So I just want to show you that, man. It's very simple, man. Just, we all use Uniswap. Go to Uniswap, buy your pamp, then come back, then add liquidity, then go to pamp.network, hit the liquidity staking, come over here, approve your tokens. When you approve your tokens, you put it in right here, you hit deposit, and then that's it. You good. You go out. But anyway, man, that's the video. Like the video, man. Comment, subscribe. Who give you this information, man? Now I'm about to go do some of my more riskier stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because I got this jet, and no matter what, I'm gonna get $1,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? You feel your boy? Holla at your boy, man. Like the video. Hit that notification button so you'll see my next one. Subscribe, comment, holla back.